So today, in this video, we are going to talk about forked beards. Forked beards are beards that go something like this. They're pretty common, so let's talk about that now. So guys, I know we're talking about forked beards in this week's video, but one thing that would really massively help me out is if you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Anyway, let's get back on with the video. So you might have been wondering, why does your beard fork? And forking means forking. Brilliant. And forking just means it just splits at the chin. And you're probably wondering, like, why does it do that? Is it a lack of support? I mean, I kind of used to think maybe it's because I used to trim my neck beard and maybe the neck beard wasn't supporting it enough. But no, you get a forked beard for many of the other reasons why your beard grows in certain ways. And that's purely down to your genetics. Genetics determine how our beards grow. And for me personally, my beard style naturally is a forked beard. Like, I've got a weak area here. I've got some hair around here that's got a good bit of length, but back here, the hair naturally goes to the sides. And you'll find that with a lot of us bearded guys, that our hair will grow from the cheeks and that sort of strap around the chin, and it will just grow outwards and push out. It's quite normal actually. So I wouldn't say it's anything to stress about. It's perfectly normal. We can look at it in a few ways. You can either let the beard sort of naturally grow out like this. You can do what I do currently and style it so it doesn't grow out in that sort of way, or you can kind of keep it a lot shorter, and with the shorter beard you'll be able to keep it in check. Now, the fork beard is actually quite commonly known as the French fork, and it's an actual style. It's a style of beard that you don't really see too often. You don't really see guys growing out a beard that's got these awesome forks that come out somewhere like this or this. You can kind of do with it as you want, and I think as my beard grows longer, and I'm gonna grow it out to sort of my belly button, I think that's kind of what I'm gonna go for. You can do some like awesome patterns with the beard. Like, I imagine you can do stuff like this. I don't really know what that looks like. I mean, it doesn't look that great at the moment, but when you've got a big beard and you can like lock it all in, I think it'll look pretty cool. If you're not a fan of having a fork, having the gap in the middle of your beard, there are some things you can do. You can blow dry the beard every single day, make it sit nice and flush to your face, get the hair a lot straighter. I know a bunch of guys are using their hair straightener brushes. It's not really for me. So you can just style it into place, put a balm in with it, and you'll be able to get a decent style like this, where the fork in the beard isn't too obvious. But really, it's up to you. Rock whatever you want to do. If you want to have the forks in the beard, let it grow out a bit like this, then do that. Like, it's not an issue. People might think it's a bit odd, look at you a bit differently, but it's just because that style of beard isn't seen too often. So rock what you've got, be comfortable with whatever you do, and just always choose what's best for you. Anyway, I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.